Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today we are looking out at a question which was asked in IIT JAM of 2021. It is a 2-mark question from section A. The question is, let capital M be a real matrix of order 6. Let 2 and -1 be two eigenvalues of M. And we are given an expression m raised to 5 is equal to a times I plus b times m, where a and b are real numbers. And we are asked to find out the values of a and b. This is quite a simple problem. We'll be using the simple fact that if lambda is an eigenvalue of m, then using this expression, lambda raised to 5 will be equal to a times I will give us 1 plus b times lambda. Now since we know that lambda has two values, one is lambda equals 2 and one is lambda equals -1, we'll be getting two equations. So that is going to be 2 raised to 5 is equal to a plus 2 times b, and the second one will be -1 is equal to a minus b. Equation 1 and equation 2. If we subtract, we get rid of the a and we get 2 raised to 5, that's 32, plus 1, so we get 33 is equal to 3b, which gives us that b is equal to 11. Substituting b equals 11 in equation number 2, we are going to get that a is equal to 10. Thus, we can conclude that option A is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching till here. Happy learning.